Drift Trikes. Fast and furious drifting fun. Attention fast and furious enthusiasts. Get ready for the thrill of drifting on specialized trikes. With a low center of gravity, wide rear wheels, and a large narrow front wheel, these trikes promise an adrenaline-packed ride. Whether you assemble your own or go for stock models, custom options are available, with some exclusive models surpassing a hefty $2,000 price tag. Sokol Hovercraft. Versatile off-road travel. Need off-road travel for up to 6 passengers? Consider the Sokol Hovercraft. Accommodating up to 6 passengers, this versatile vehicle has a payload capacity of 1,323 pounds and travels at speeds of 43.5 miles per hour on land and 53 miles per hour on water. With features like a rear-view camera, automatic doors, cruise control, and improved sound insulation, the Sokol Hovercraft offers a seamless transition between land and water travel, starting at $51,000. Pima Velobike. Compact, eco-friendly urban commuting. Tired of breathing polluted air during traffic jams? Enter the Pima Velobike, a compact, environmentally friendly solution for urban commuting. Available in classic and hybrid versions, the classic model relies solely on pedals, while the hybrid comes with an electric motor. With optional features like an audio system, alarm, and a refined interior, this Velobike measures 8.2 feet in length, weighs 82 pounds, and comes with a price tag of around $5,600. ADIVA AD Scooter. Folding Roof Innovation. The ADIVA AD Scooter turned heads at the Paris Salon de la Moto show in 2013 as the world's first series produced three-wheeler with a folding roof. Originating from Nicola Pazio's vision in 1996, these scooters cater to various needs. The basic AB1200 model boasts an 11.6 cubic inches Puget engine with 19 horsepower, while the advanced AD3400 model steps up with 24.3 cubic inches and 37 horsepower. With simplicity in mind, these scooters are suitable for diverse tasks, including shopping, offering comfort in any weather. Oracing NAT-M. Off-road hand bike adventure. Meet the Oracing NAT-M, a hand bike powered by arms instead of feet. Perfect for off-road adventures. Crafted from 70/20 aluminum alloy, used in motorcycle manufacturing and aviation, this hand bike allows customization of components, including the crankset and derailleur.